Today on Kosterman Family Farms, pickled farm eggs. Start with farm fresh eggs. In order to boil them so they're easy to peel, add cold water to the pot until the eggs are completely submerged, and then put the pot on the stove and allow it to come up to a boil. Once at a boil, place the lid on the pot and turn the heat completely off and let sit for 15 minutes. Then apply cold water. Once the eggs are cooled, you can begin cracking. First method is to roll the egg until you hear it crack, and then simply peel all the shell off of the egg. Once the egg is completely peeled of its shell, make sure that you rinse the egg to get any last little bits of egg off. Then you can simply take your egg and place it into the jar that you plan to use for pickling. This will hold all of the eggs that you have peeled. Another method of peeling eggs is to crack the big end, the air end. From there you can work the shell off of the egg, and once you have the shell completely off of the egg, once again you will rinse the egg and place it inside of your jar. Next is your pickling mixture. Take your jar of eggs and fill them with water, and then pour the water into a pot, noticing the level of the water. This is the level that you will want to pour your vinegar to. Once you've poured your vinegar in the pot, put it on the stove and bring it up to a boil. Add any spices at this time that you would like, such as pickling spices or garlic that we did in our case. Then within your jar, place some slices of onion, jalapeno peppers, garlic, or anything else that you would like, as these vegetables will pickle along with your eggs and add a nice flavor to the eggs. Simply now place the jar in the fridge for at least 1 week, open, pull out the eggs, and enjoy. Till next time, Kosterman Family Farms.